up, guys? My name is Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are coming at you from Anna Maria Island, which was a highly requested beach that I come to on the Florida beach tour. So we're here, we're gonna make it happen. Parking was a bit of a nightmare. We like parked in the middle of a neighborhood. They have like strict signs. So you have to park in between these green signs. It was really difficult to find a spot, but we found one. And let's head to the beach. It's a little cloudy, so I was hoping it wasn't going to be because I wanted to see the water like super blue, but we're really excited and bring you guys with me. Okay, first impressions, it's giving me like OBX vibes.
What's that?
Outer Banks. We made it to Anna Maria Island. First impressions, guys, I can see why you recommended this beach so much to me because the sand is super white and it's that like really smooth to the touch. Also the kind that, as Seth says, you can crunch it and it makes you get it makes you get goosebumps. But the water is this gorgeous, like a little bit of a green tint, but it's so stunning in the shallow end especially. And the sun keeps popping in and out. I'm not sure if it's going to rain or not. There might be some clouds rolling in for some storms, but hey, a rainy day at the beach is better than a good day at work, and I swear by that. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna head into the water and show you guys Anna Maria Island. So one of the cool things that we just found when we were like laying in the shallow area is there are these little bitty like clams, what do you call them? Shells that are alive. Basically,
periwinkles maybe?
What?
Periwinkle, I think I've heard them called.
Nuh-uh.
Periwinkle, yeah.
Okay, well these little periwinkles, that cannot be right. Basically what we see at our beach in New Smyrna Beach, dead, is here alive. So check this out, guys. So look at all these things. I'm gonna pick them up. And you can see them move into my hands. They're trying to dig themselves into the dirt. Look at that. And it tickled. Alright, so we actually are about to pack up and head to our Airbnb. We got a nice little condo over on the West Coast, so this weekend we could just relax and enjoy. We're gonna go check in and probably go grab some dinner. So I was driving and I see this kind of hot hitchhiker. I think I'm gonna pick him up.
Hey, can you give me a ride? I'll give you some hummus and chips.
All right, sounds good. Get in. It's a Florida beach tour, baby.
All right. rock.
So we went to the Airbnb. It's really cute and super clean, which I was kind of worried about because COVID. We got showered, we changed, and we're heading out to dinner. We're going to Scob. Do I sound like a local?
You sound like a snob.
I know, I sound like anyway. It's Siesta Key Oyster Bar. It's supposed to be like a local fave, so we're gonna grab some drinks, some good grub, and watch the sunset. You have to watch the sunset when you go to the West Coast.
Yep.
So I will see you guys at dinner. Yum. So it's night now. We didn't get to watch this. Are you okay?
I'm stuck. Sorry.
We didn't get to watch the sunset tonight, but we did enjoy some drinks and dinner at Scob, which was the coolest environment. We had a great server. The food was absolutely delicious.
So freaking good.
It was so good. So we're gonna make our way home. All right, we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to join the crew and follow along on the journey of the Florida Beach Tour. I'm dropping my phone. Oh my God.
It's okay, you can't see me anyways.
This is the worst angle. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.